There is a substantial risk of loss associated with trading forex, binary options, stocks, or equities, collectively, asset classes. Only risk capital should be used for trading. Trading in any asset classes is not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. No representation is being made that investors will make profits, or will not sustain losses. Before trading in any asset classes, investors should consult with their professional broker, financial advisor, or financial consultant to determine whether trading asset classes is appropriate. Investors who trade in any asset classes should only do so if the capital used for this purpose represents funds that an investor can afford to lose without adversely impacting the investor's lifestyle. No trading strategy or methodology is without risk of loss. No trading strategy is risk-free, and no trading strategy can guarantee profits or freedom from losses. Investors risk losing the cost to execute any transaction, including associated commissions or fees. You should carefully consider whether trading in any asset class is appropriate for you in light of your investment experience and financial resources. Any trading decisions you make are solely your responsibility and at your own risk. None of the statements or materials in the Auvoria Prime chat rooms constitute a solicitation or recommendation to buy or sell.
Hey guys, welcome to today's call. This is our October monthly insider call for Flash. We are doing these calls every single month. We are doing it on the first Monday of every month. So yeah. Welcome to the call. We're just gonna jump in now straight away because we have a lot of things to talk about. I know that a lot of people are a little bit, how would I say, a little bit afraid of what is happening with gold, what is happening with Flash X. It's nothing like, I would say, major, but this is again, like for some people another, I would say a lecture, and like, not lecture, but like again, like some new experience where I always tell people that you always have to trade like with an equity protector, because a lot of people, they just think, okay, I'm not going to take a loss of 10%, I'm not going to take a loss of 5%, but I'm just going to keep on trading and hoping that the market is going to reverse into my favor. So guys, one thing that you have to understand in trading, the market doesn't care about me, the market doesn't care about you, the market doesn't care about your family, the market doesn't care about your funds, it just doesn't care, okay? So we always have to adapt to the market, and what it's really important once you're trading with any EA, it doesn't have to be Flash, it doesn't have to be Flash X, in any EA that you're trading with, first of all, you have to know how much you're willing to risk, okay? If you don't know how much you're willing to risk, then you're like risking every single cent that you're putting onto your trading account. But if we go see a little bit now, this is like the daily chart. You see daily chart, and you can see the gold just fell off the cliff. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days straight just going down. And if you measure here like the distance, like how much gold actually fell down, like you can see here, we had like a fall with like just without any retracement for 11,268. So this is 1,200 pips gold went into just one direction, okay? So as you can see here, I marked up like here something, and I think that we're gonna get a reaction from here, because what we can see here, we call this like an order block. And this is like exactly in the middle, if we put it here, this is exactly in the middle of where there were like the last two down candles. And you can see this is like the exact middle. So I thought that it's gonna go to down here before we see like a retracement back. So my opinion, like what we will see, I have to go like on a lower time frames. I think that I saw it on H1. If I'm not mistaken. So what I'm looking at now is that we can come up here, because here is like a double top, and here are like some people in sell positions. So I think we're gonna see a reaction to up here to at least 1881. So we will see, but definitely I think that we're gonna see here now a reaction. We're already seeing a reaction, so I hope for the best. So if we go now into my Flash, you will see that I don't have like as many positions like open right now. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4 positions open. because me personally, I'm only running the strategy that it's called London Breakout. The London Breakout, it's a strategy that it's like really precise, that doesn't trade every single day. And last week, personally, I didn't enter into any trades on London Breakout. So the first trade that I'm having is today. So maybe if I would enter like the trades last week, maybe I would enter somewhere here. Maybe I would be in a different position at the moment. But right now I'm only $280 in floating drawdown from 7,000. So this is like 7,500, 750. It's 10%. So I'm like under 5% in drawdown. And always I have it here set up drawdown limit cash amount. I set it up like to 10%. Even I can close it out personally because I know what my limit is. Then I just close it out and that's it. And I wait for the market to see what is going to be the correction or what the market is actually going to do before I start trading. I'm only trading from 9:30 till 12. So this is actually from 8:30 in the morning Central European time to 11 Central European time. Now it's trading. Why? Because still the trades are open. If there would be like no trades open, it would say here no. Okay, so it's really important to know which strategy to choose. I also have like one account running on like fusion settings. I'm like running even more pairs on that account. I will also show you the results and how it is at the moment. I personally also did one. Okay, so you can see here London Breakout. We can refresh here. Okay, if you refresh it here, you can see right now we are 3.61% in drawdown. So like nothing major, nothing like to be worried about. But then I have like a Fusion, Flash Fusion account, live account where it's like right now 55K on the account. We did today 0.68%. And right now we are in some drawdown 8.78%, but I added also GBP CAT and also GBP USD. For now, I see the GBP USD, it's working really nice with the strategy that I'm testing out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 trades open, but I saw the GBP CAT is working that nice. And also you can see GBP CAT like also fell from the cliff. So we are actually, how many pips open trades? Pips, okay, we're pips. Okay, pips, and you can see here, GBP CAT, the first trade was actually, it's 545 pips in drawdown. So like GBP CAT, it's like, it can work good, but I'm done with GBP CAT trading it on with any EA. If we go connection center, I will open it up so you guys can see. Let me just open. So you guys can see here. Okay, I have it. Here's screen. So you can see it right here. GBP CAT. I have some trades open on gold. So I'm right now few dollars in minus 1,500 in minus on 50K. But GBP CAT, you guys can see that like from the highest point where it's like our first trade, it's right here. And to the lowest point, we were actually 800 pips away. So I'm like definitely done with GBP CAT, and I will remove it after that. And I will be running on this account gold, and then also I think GBP USD, but mostly I will be running gold. So as you can see here, I also have here, these are Flash X settings on this account. So I'm running 0.7 lot size on a 50K. So I'm running actually 0.01 per every 750. And then I multiply here the cash trail start 0.7. 0.7 multiplied with 250. Yeah, with 250, So I go like for the lower risk option of the take profit. So I take less profit. That means that I'm out of the trades much faster. And also, as you can see, I'm only allowing here max trades open per pair 3. Okay. Why? Because I don't want, like, if the market makes like a really like fast move to one side, and I don't want to be on the wrong side of the market where I can get open, like, I don't know, like 4 trades, 5 trades, 7 trades, 10 trades. Why? Because I want to control that. Because let's say the market moved, that you are somewhere here in the trades. Okay, if you would enter here the trades. So now once the market moves, you will be have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let's say 10 trades open. If you would have here allow 10 trades. So what I like to do, okay, I like to put here 3, because usually this strategy is not gonna need more than 3 trades to close out when we have like really that perfect sequence. So what I like to do, I like to wait, and then if the market goes against me, I rather open up another 2 positions. I can open up another position down here instead of just having like a bunch of positions here. So then I allow, when I see that the market settle and when the market goes into reversal, then I allow more trades to trade. Okay. Drawdown limit cash amount, as I said, you can, if you're a person that don't want to do it like manually, that you're gonna close, bam, 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 I'm done. You can set it up like here by yourself. Set it up like 10%, but you have to set it in dollar amount. So if I would have here 55K, 56K, so my drawdown limit 10 from 10% on gold would be 5,600. Right now it's 1,300, so I'm like far away from getting into that limit. So also what I do here, I have it like at 85 and 15. I like it a little bit higher. It's gonna get me like more precise entries. It's not gonna give me so many entries, but it's gonna be more precise entries. So as you can see, I'm also, oh sorry, here I was doing something. So I'm also trading like every day. You can see here through, only I'm not trading on Friday. And also I'm not trading when there's like a lot of news, let's say CPI news, NFP news, FOMC news. I like to avoid news like that because it's always like can be manipulated, and I always rather stay out if it's possible to stay out. Also, one thing what you can do, you can raise here the limit. You can go even like 1 trade every 400. You can even go as high as 1 trade to every 500. Okay, you can do it like that if you want to be more conservative. And you just press OK. And then also, like, what you can do, instead of on M15, you can maybe trade on M30. It's going to be less entries, it's going to be more conservative, it's going to be more precise entries also. But me personally, like M15, I will also start one account on M30 so we can see how it goes also on M30, and I will also share it with you. So these are like some things that I'm testing out. I'm also playing around with US 30. It's working nice right now, but I'm still, as you can see, I don't trade all the time. I'm mostly trading between, like, when it's Asian session, then London session, and then I'm out. I don't like to trade every single day. And also, yeah, I'm still testing out it, and I'm only trading on a 50K account. I'm only trading 0.03 lot size. Okay, so it's like really conservative. I don't like to risk a lot. Even here, I think I'm gonna put like 85 and 15, and then you can see like these are like my settings. I have like here more trades open, but even here I can put like only like 5, and then I'm like also taking profit really fast. But for now, it is working nice. I'm not gonna say it's not working nice. I'm trading on M5, so these are like different things that I am testing out. I'm also trading GBP USD and GBP CAT. As I said, I'm gonna remove GBP CAT 100%. I'm not gonna be trading it. But yeah, mostly I'm gonna be still focusing on gold and USD 30 to try to figure it out, like what would be like good settings. But US 30, it's a different beast, so don't try it. It can be really, really dangerous. So yeah, I don't have like a lot to talk about. This is like what I'm seeing, so be really careful, be mindful, and yeah, just me personally, I would advise to like stick more to London Breakout and Flash X Fusion, because gold is like a major player and it can like really move against you. So me personally, as I said, I like London Breakout. So guys, thank you for joining in live, and also thank you for watching the replay. And as you know, if you have any questions, just message us in Discord and we'll be more than happy to help you out. So guys, thank you, have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.